Good morning, students. Now let us continue with third problem in exercise 6.5. Third problem, you see, a 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Now here what they are asking, one ladder is kept there, 15-meter long ladder. It is reaching window at what height? 12-meter height from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Now find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. We have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall, how much it is. So now let's take here third problem. Now here they have given you the ladder and this one. I am going to draw. You have to draw with the help of a scale, students. I am just drawing. This is a ladder. See, this is 15 meters, this is 12 meters and this is A. So here this is this one. So from ground, now this is a 15-meter long ladder. It is reaching a window 12-meter high. Then we have to find the distance of the foot from the ladder. So now you see here it's like a right angle triangle. Now this one shall we take it as A, B, C. Now this is correct 90 degree straight line. So this is 90. This is 90 means this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what? It is, we can use by using Pythagoras property. Now here answer you see, by using Pythagoras property, Pythagoras property what? Here which is hypotenuse, and here you see A, B, C. This is right angle. Opposite to this side is a hypotenuse. So AC will be hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus CB square. AC square how much? This is hypotenuse. AC how much? 15 meters. 15 square is equal to AB how much? 12 square plus CB how much? Here A only it is there. So we can keep it as A square. Then here you see 15 square means how much? Now here 15 square is equal to 12 square plus A square. Now we have to find out here A square. So 15 square. This plus when it comes this side it becomes minus 12 square. That is equal to A square. 15 square means how much? 15 into 15. 225. Minus 12 into 12 is 144. That is equal to A square. 225 minus 144. 225 minus 144. 5 minus 4, 1. Then from here 12 is 4, it is 81. So 81 is equal to A square. 81 means what? Square means 9 nines are 81. So 9 square is equal to A square. Square square get cancelled. Therefore A is equal to 9 meters. So this A will be here 9 meters. So this is the third one. I think you understood, students. By using Pythagoras property, I have solved this one. If you know what is Pythagoras property, you will be able to solve easily. See here, I have taken they have given, this is a ladder. It is reaching at 15 meters long ladder it is, and it is reaching to a window 12 meters. So I have taken its right angle triangle, because why? It is straight line. Then it is 90 degree. So when it is 90 degree, it is right angle triangle. So here AC is hypotenuse. So by using the formula, I have solved this problem. Now you see fourth one. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? You know what is right triangle means, which will be 90 degree. So now they have given 3, In case of right angle triangles, identify the right angles. Now here we shall solve this one. Fourth one. Now first one you see 2.5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now here they have given, according to Pythagoras theorem property, what? AC square means anything. Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of the sum of the length of the two sides. Now here they have given three sides. So now suppose I am going to take 2.5 square. 2.5 square means how much? 2.5 into 2.5, how much? It is 6.25. Then 6.5 square. 6.5 into 6.5, how much? 42.25. Then 6 square. 6 6 are 36. So now this both should be equal to this one. So now you see here, when you add 36, now suppose I am showing here 36 means here we can keep zeros, then 6.25, 5, 2, 6, 12, 3 plus 1, 4. See, 42.25 is equal to 42.25. Suppose here we are adding 36 plus 6.25 is equal to 42.25. So 6 square plus 2.5 square is equal to 6.5 square. See, square of hypotenuse is equal to other two sides. So this is a right angle triangle. Therefore, this is a right angle triangle. So here just they are telling to identify which is one. So I have told you first problem. Yeah. Now second problem you see 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Two centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now using Pythagoras property, 2 square is equal to 2 2s are 4. 2 square is equal to 2 2s are 4. 5 square is equal to 5 5s are 25. Now you see here 25 is there, here 4 is there, 4 is there. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. Is 8 equal to 25? No, it is not equal. Suppose you take 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 5 square. Why it is not equal? Because 4 plus 4 plus 4 how much? 8. 8 is not equal to 25. So it is not right angle triangle. Therefore, it is not a right angled triangle. According to Pythagoras, if it is satisfies only, it will be right angle triangle. Because here you see it is not equal to 25. Whereas first problem you see 42.25 is equal to 42.25. So this is right angle triangle. But this does not satisfy Pythagoras property. So it is not right angle triangle. Now here you see third one. 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters. I think this one you can do it as a homework, students. Okay. Now we shall go to fifth problem. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Now here they are asking, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. So now just I am going to draw here fifth one. You think that this is a tree. Okay. Now height of 5 meters it's broken. So suppose here I am taking this as 5 meters. So now from 5, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance. So from here tree is falling. Okay, tree is falling. Then this is the base. This is the base. So now here what they asked, ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. This is the base, means base how much they have given, 12 meters. Here 12 meters. So now we have to find the original height of the tree. We do not know the original height of the tree, just they told that 5 meters a tree is broken and fallen down. So here now this is the broken one. So this is the base. So when you see this figure tree, do you feel it is a right angle triangle? So now original means from here to here. This full we have to find out actually what is the measurement. So we do not know. We know only 5 meters from the tree has fell down. So now this one is a right angle triangle. So now I am going to take it as this one, and here. This is right angle triangle. So here I am taking A, B, C. This is 12 meters and this is 5 meters. So here what is the hypotenuse? AC. Why? Because it is opposite to the right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. Then now we have got it as Pythagoras property we have to use and solve. So by using Pythagoras property, now here AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. AC square how much we do not know. BC how much? 12 centimeters plus AB how much? 5 square. AC square is equal to 12 square means how much? 12 into 12, 144 plus 5 into 5, 25. AC square is equal to 144 plus 25 how much? When you add 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 169. So now AC square is equal to 169 means in which table twice it will go, that 13 into 13 you see how much? 169. So 13 square. Square cancel. Therefore AC is equal to 13. Now here we have got AC is equal to 13. Because it has fell down here we can keep this as 13. But here this part we don't know how much it is. This one. So we have to know how much. They are asking original height of the tree. So now therefore the original height of the tree is equal to 13 plus, here already we have 5 meters here. So this 13 plus 5 only make original tree. So 13 plus 5, that is equal to 13 plus 5 how much? 18. So 18 meters. The original height of the tree is 18 meters. So this is the 5th problem. So we finished 5 problems. Now 6th, 7th, 8th problem we can see in the next class. Thank you students.